Good evening, everyone. We are starting class now. So today we are going to talk about the important concept that is IoT connectivity, that how we can connect with the cloud. So if you want to connect with the cloud, so how we can do that we are going to discuss. So for that, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to understand the cloud that we are going to use it. So the cloud that we are going to use it over here is that is a thing speak cloud. This one is a cloud, we can use it freely. So limited use of this cloud you can use freely. So when we talk about the IoT, so which cloud we are going to use it for IoT applications? So this one is a one cloud that we are going to use it. So that is freely available. And how this will work, that also we are going to discuss. So इस cloud पे अगर हमें data send करना है, so how we can send data to this cloud? First of all, just see this cloud and how the data will be get visualized. Earlier also we have seen that cloud. So there are different channels you can get it. So already connected channel also you can get it, and you can create your own channel also. So यहाँ पे आप अपना channel भी create कर सकते हैं, and you can find those channel are already available over there. Like I'm going to see something related to solar, or let me search over here IoT if there is anything available. My smart Ethereum, and there are different project over there based on the IoT tag. So you can find some more channels. LoRaWAN, smart watering system. Let me check it. So in this channel, you will able to see the different data of temperature, moisture, Arduino system, and all that. So you can see this one is light intensity over here, and you can check the data date also when the data is being get published over there, like this. So over here you can see light intensity, and that this one data is 14 July, and the latest data is on 14 July 2022, not latest one, that is the old data. So you can see all the data is visualizing like this, and you can find the location, and if there is any animated video, that also you can find it over there, that how it will work. So that is based on South Africa. So I'm going to take some latest data, latest channel data. So let me search over here by default, any channel, all channels, and let me take any channel. Those are Hindi or English based. Wind power smart monitoring. Okay, let me open this one. So this channel will monitor the wind power, and we are going to check it out the data. So yes, this one is the latest channel. So the latest data we are receiving it from 26th June. Today data. This one is the today data, latest one. So this one is a live channel. Live channel mean all the data is going live, and that is publicly available. Your data publicly available hai, and you can download the data also. That is up to your requirement. So you can see over here, this one is wind power density, and then after that you can see wind power watts in watt. This one is air density. So that you can see that is continuously reducing over here, and then after that you can see temperature is increasing like this. So this one is temperature right now 73.8 Fahrenheit. This one is the latest data at 5 4 5:37. That is the time over there. And then wind power smart monitor, wind power measurement. So these are a few more measurement you can add on over there, like this, like this. All the data you are able to see it over there. So in that way you can send your own data also, customized data also, you can send it over there on this cloud. So we are going to create a new channel. अब हम अपना channel create करेंगे. What is required for that? You have to sign up over there. First step is that you have to sign up. आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे अपना account create करना है. Then after that you will able to do it easily. So I'm going to use it. I'm going to use my mail ID. So with the help of that, I'm going to log in it, because I have already created account. So directly I'm going to log in over there in this cloud. So these are my channels. These are my channels over here. not my channel. These are public channel. I will go to the my channel, so all my channel will be visible over there. And in my channels, so over here I can see data. So यहाँ पे आप data देखेंगे. Data can be visualized like this. So this one is data that we have taken it for September 2022, and that is the older data, no latest data. So in this channel we can send the data. So these are the different channels. So this one is 4 month ago that we have created, and you can find location also कि आपका कहाँ पे channel लगा हुआ है. So that location also you can find that in Arunachal Pradesh over there you can find it. So canal obstacle detection like this. So this one is like any alert you want to receive it, that also you can get it. कि अगर आपकी कैनल में कुछ obstacle है और some alert you want to get it, that also will be visible. यहाँ पे alert भी आपको मिल जाएगा. So in that way there are different channels over there. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to use my any channel. So 4 channel you can create it. So 4 channels you can create it freely. So this one is a smart greenhouse. So let me check what data we are getting it, that 4 months ago that we have created it. So over here, so this one is 23rd Feb data, not latest data. So over there also multiple data of greenhouse you are going to receive it like this. Location also that is located in Jaipur. Like this project we have deployed it on the Jaipur. So you can monitor all the data and like this one is agriculture based project. या आपने agriculture का crop की health monitor करनी है using hydroponic plant, that you can do it easily like this. So there are multiple channels we have seen over there and multiple data we have seen. So what we can do, we can create our new channel. So first of all we have to delete any previous channel. यहाँ से हम एक channel को delete कर देते हैं. This home automation I'm going to delete it. So over there what you can do, go to setting. From the setting that there is option at the bottom, delete channel. यहाँ से अगर आपको पहले से channel है, you can delete that channel and you can create a new channel. So how you can create a new channel? After doing sign in, go to the channels and over there my channels and you can click on new channel. So from this you can create a new channel. So next week all the participants will have to qualify one quiz. There will be a quiz exam. So that exam will be based on the content that is being covered up during the classes. जो क्लासेस में कवर हुआ है उसी के बेस्ड आपका क्विज एग्जाम होगा. So that you have to qualify it. For that, kindly watch all the videos. Those are available on the YouTube channel. So if 1 and 2 videos are not available, that will be get uploaded soon. So आपको videos watch करनी है. Based on that, you have to give the quiz. Next week में होना है आपका. That we will update you कि कब quiz होना है. So that is very important. So these are the field. You can give the name of the channel like iiot. I have given name. Any descriptions like temperature data, temp data. So these are the field, multiple data if you want to see. I'm just going to send only 2 channel data, that is temperature and humidity data. So then after that you can find few more informations like any tag you want to do it like IoT and any web portal link that you want to share, any GitHub link, elevation from the ground. These are the latitude and longitude that also you can give it over there. So based on your requirement. So like suppose I'm going to check my longitude and latitude, that I'm going to set it over here. Longitude you can search it on the Google and then that you can enter it over here. So you can tell your longitude and latitude, that I will enter it over here. So you can type your longitude and latitude in the chat box, any participant, so that we are going to use it over here. So you can type your longitude and latitude in the chat box, that I'm going to enter it over here so that you can see your locations. Thingspeak.com say that line, okay, this one is the value. This is minus 90 to 90, okay. सो काइंडली टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स में आपको क्या करना है, अपने मोबाइल से चेक करना है कि आपका लॉन्गिट्यूड लेटीट्यूड क्या है। यू कैन सर्च इट ऑन द गूगल, दैट यू कैन टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स, दैट आई विल एंटर ओवर हियर, so that your locations will be get visible. Your college location also you can put over there, that is not necessary. Do it fast. Okay, am I audible to all the participant? Give your response. Okay, that's great. So kindly find your longitude and latitude in the mobile phone. Mobile phone पे आप search करेंगे कि longitude and latitude, so that you can find it. And okay, that's great. You, if you are searching, just type it over here, and that I will enter it over here. So the first one participant has typed over here, so that I'm going to use it. Sheetal has typed, so that I'm going to enter it over here. And this one is latitude. Yes, this value I have just entered it. So approximate all the participant having similar kind of values. So then what we have to do, we can move ahead, and then we can save this channel like this. So whenever we are going to save this channel, you are going to find two channel over there like this. यहाँ पे आपके two channel visible होंगे, and you can find your location over there, that is Aurangabad. So when you are going to zoom out, zoom in, so you can find more detailed, precise location that where is your data is located. So up to, yes, up to this data is available over there. So you are sending data from this channel. Just suppose this one is your location. Right now we have entered just dummy locations. So this one is the data we are going to receive it. So two variable we have taken it, field 1 and field 2. Over there you can enter it also, like आपको क्या data enter करना है, जैसे कि temperature, and then after that humidity. So in the field 1 you can use temperature, temp data, and field 2 humidity data, humidity. So temperature and humidity. Two we are going to use it over here. Then we can save it again, save channel. So that is the basic setup. That setup everyone can do. अगर आपके पास कंप्यूटर है या मोबाइल फोन है, in the mobile phone also you can do that setup like this. So this one is temperature and humidity. Now we have to send data. For sending data, either you require a hardware or you can use any simulator. So we are going to use that simulator, that is VOC-V simulator. From that VOC-V simulator, we have to write code, and that code we have to upload it over here, upload it in the VOC-V, and we are going to connect with the internet, and we are going to send data to the cloud, this cloud. So how we can send data? So we have to go to the VOC-V over here. This one is a VOC-V. So over there I have created one code. This code is in a C++. आपका ये code C++ language में है. So later on we are going to make code in the Python also. So Python में ही बनाएंगे because we are having limited time. So that's why I have just already created code that we are using it. So over there you can see what are the steps that we are going to follow. These are the library. Directly we have to use those library so that our code will be simplified. So we are using these libraries, and then after that you can see these are the constant int integer type, and those are constant. So this one is a pin number because that is already always constant. This pin we are using it for reading the sensor value. This one is a DHT double two sensor, that is known as a temperature and humidity sensor. So in the sensor, what we are going to do it over here, in the sensor we are going to read temperature and humidity value. So now this one is very important, Wi-Fi name. When we are going to upload this code in the hardware, we have to give the Wi-Fi name of available network in your location. Right now we are going to use virtual Wi-Fi. यहाँ पे हम इस मॉड्यूल का वाईफाई यूज करेंगे. दिस मॉड्यूल इज हैविंग वाईफाई मॉड्यूल इंटीग्रेटेड. So we are going to use simulations only. In the simulation, we are going to use that Wi-Fi module. So इस Wi-Fi module के अंदर what we are going to get it, we are going to connect this one with the internet without having hardware. बिना किसी hardware के we are going to connect it. So what next we have to do it over here? We are going to use over here the password. So password of this Wi-Fi password is that we have to set up it. Now there is no password. This one is a walkway guest. What is the meaning of this? This one is the Wi-Fi of this software. And then this one is channel number. So this channel number you have to enter it with your own. That channel number is your customized channel number. ये channel number कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको? So this channel number you can get it in the IoT ThinkSpeak cloud. So how you can find channel number? You have to go to channel setting. So when we are going in the channel setting, so the first one at the top you are going to see channel number. So this one is my channel number. I'm going to take it. This channel number I'm going to enter it over here like this. Uh, 1881348. Let me check, is it same or not? No, that is wrong one. This one is my channel number. Then after that, this one is API key. These three things is important. These three things are important. Server name is by default. This channel number and API key, my API key. So over there, this API key from ThinkSpeak, we have to take it. My API key. So API key कहाँ से मिलेगी आपको? So this one is your API key. So this one is API key. You can see this API key. Write API key you have to take it. So there is two API key, read API key and write. So write API key you have to copy it from over here. You are going to copy it. And then after that, what we are going to do, we are going to insert over here that API key. Yes, we have replaced with our new API key. Then after that, this one is the server. Server is same, no need to change it. And then after that, we are going to use DST test. This one is a library part. ये library के ही component है. Just we have to write it. Wi-Fi client like this. Then what it will do? It will start serial begin with a baud rate of 11520. Mean data is being get printed on the serial monitor. And then these are the pin number. Like we are going to initialize the pin of DST22. That is pin number 15. DST pin. That is defined. Wi-Fi name, password, it will be get connect with the Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi connected and it will start sending data over there. This one is a loop. In the loop, we are going to read temperature and humidity data. ThinkSpeak, we are going to write value on channel 1 and channel 2. In channel 1, we are writing data that is temperature data. On channel 2, we are writing data that is humidity data. So that value, we are going to write it on the ThinkSpeak. That is the code for the ThinkSpeak. No need to go in the detail of this code. So that is available easily, that code. So now what next we have to do? We have to run this code. This code is running for 10-second delay. I'm going to make it 3-second delay. After every 3 seconds, or you can make it 2 seconds. After every 2 seconds, your data is being get updated on the cloud. Now you can start it. If there is any error, we are going to troubleshoot it. So it is being simulating. While waiting, why not check out walk before VS Code? Okay. Start simulation again. So it's compiling the project. It will compile the code first, then it will upload it over here. So let's wait. So once it will upload the code, our data will be get starting over here on this cloud. Go to the private view and you will be able to see your data, and there is no entry till now. So because we have not sent data yet, because that is processing. Wait for a moment. जब तक ये डेटा रन नहीं होता है, हमें वेट करना है. Then we are going to check the data. Data will be visible over here also in the serial monitor. because we are printing data on the serial monitor also. So let it complete. If that is not working, you can refresh this page. I'm going to refresh it. There is some server failure. Okay, refreshed it. Value is being refreshed again. So I'm going to select all. Updated value code, I have pasted it because I have copied that code. Then run the simulation. Now it is working. So simulation has been started over there now. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on the sensor, and these are the temperature value of the sensor. We are simulating it like earlier we have done it on the Tinkercad. Tinkercad में हमने simulate किया था. Now it is connecting with the Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi connected, local IP. This one is a virtual IP. Wi-Fi name is WalkWeCast, public IoT gateway. Data post, non-temperature reading, then mean no reading. Now it will start sending data. Data post successfully. So let me check the data. Okay, it's showing again no data. So it is sending data, but there is no specific data it is reading. So let me check what is the error over there, why it is not able to read the data. So let me increase the delay little bit. So delay we have taken it to make it 5 seconds. Then start simulation again. So the sensor we are using in the code, that is DST 22 DST 22 sensor. Pin number is 15. Pin number is okay, that is 15. Okay, you can see over here if the data is being get received or not. 4 entry we have received it. So 4 data we have received, but that is not any specific data. So we have to receive proper data, then only that will work. Connecting with the internet. This one is Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi. It will be get connected automatically in this cloud or in this Walkbee simulator. Wait for a few moments. Let it get connecting. Let it get connected. So all address and each and everything is same. Just we have to check that library and all that of DST sensor. Pin number is okay. DST pin is okay. We are using delay 1 second over here. Wi-Fi connecting. So we have taken delay at the end, that is 5 seconds. Okay. Still it is simulating, taking time. Let me refresh it. So over there, I'm going to check with this code. Is it working or not? Data, trying to connect it with the internet. Wait for a moment. Right now we are sending on the virtual channel. There is no specific channel. Connected IP address is this one. Data post, yes. Now it is showing temperature and humidity properly. So over there, what we have to do, we have to change the values. So this one is sending data for how much second. That is the only thing that is important. 10 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to change this code with our updated values. These are the channel value and API keys. So now stop simulation and run it again. It is, I think that is not working. Let me refresh it. So this one code is lengthy, that's why it's taking a lot of time. So फिर से हम रिफ्रेश करके चेक करते हैं. 2 seconds, let me make it. 8 seconds. Run simulation. So our ultimate goal is that we want to send the sensor data to the cloud without any hardware. That we want to achieve it over here. So wait for a moment, let it get connected. It's taking a lot of time. My net is slow. Let me check it out again. So let me refresh it, and 4 entry only we have received. Go back. Still it is not connected. Refresh it. Reload it. There is some error in the server. Start it again. Start simulation. VS Code. So again, I'm refreshing it so that we can get proper reading. So the time we are going to set it 8 seconds. So it's taking a lot of time. Let it get complete. So this one is the way, with the help of that we can send data to this Walkaway cloud. So we have to wait for a few moments. Let the data come over here. Let it get complete. So the values are, okay, the previous value is there. We have to wait for a few moments. Sometimes it depends upon your internet speed also. If you are having good speed, it can execute it in a fraction of second. Now it is taking some time. If it will not work, I have to open it in a new project. Okay, let me open it in a new project. So I'm going to open new Walkaway project. So Walkaway, you can search it and you can make new one, and you can close this one. Walkaway like this. So we have to use that same module, that is ESP32 board. We have to use it. The internet is slow. So we have to go to MicroPython, not MicroPython, we are using C++. So you can use ESP32 Wi-Fi scan, and we are going to use the starting template. Started template, let me check this one. So internet, I think that is little bit slow. Let it open. Software is running a little bit slow. So this one I'm going to open it. Starter. Let it get open. Wait for a moment, let it open. So after opening it, we are going to write the code. ESP32. So what we are doing it over here, we are sending data to this cloud, and right now we are not able to visualize any values, any entries, because virtual zero value we have received it, and a min, that is no defined, non-defined value we have received it over here. So let me open that walkthrough again. So the server is running slower little bit. That it get open. So otherwise what you can do, you required a hardware, and over there on the hardware you have to upload the code. So what kind of hardware is required, I will let you know in the next class. So we are going to use some hardware over there, and we are going to upload code on the hardware, and then after that we are sending data to the cloud. Now we are doing without any hardware. अगर हमारे पास कोई भी हार्डवेयर नहीं है, how we can use software to send data, virtual data to the cloud, that we can send it over there on the cloud. So this one is by default simple code of this one, walkthrough ESP32. So we have to connect one sensor over here, that is DHT22. So this sensor, how we have to connect it, the pins. So ground pin we have to connect with the ground. This one is ground over here, not ground. Ground is 5 volt. CMD, this one is not ground, so you can select the ground pin. This one is ground. So ground we are going to connect with the ground. This one is ground pin. And after that we are going to use node connected pin, SDA, VCC. This VCC we have to connect with 5 volt. So आपकी 5 volt की pin यहाँ पे है. So this one is 5 volt pin that you can connect it. Then this one is signal pin. SDA is a signal pin. That we have to connect it with a 50 number pin. Earlier we have used it. So 50 number pin is over here. This one. So we have connected it with the 50 number pin signal wire. Now we have to write the code. So this the code I have already copied it. So same code we are going to use it, this one. So we are going to use over here. The delay is 10 second or 8 second. So it required time to simulate it properly. Then start simulation. So हमने code को upload कर दिया. Now we are simulating it. So it's saying that DST knows file in the directory error dst.esp. So this library is not over there, so we are going to install this library. DST library we can add on over there in install library, DST sensor library. So I think that will work over there with this library. Let me check it again. So these are the library that is required. So it's saying that this library is not there, ThinkSpeak.h library. So this library we can add on. How we can add on library? So library manager, add library, और यहाँ पे हम library search करेंगे this one. So ThinkSpeak library, ThinkSpeak. So ThinkSpeak library is added. Now start simulation, check it. DST ESP library also we are going to add on if that will not work. Wi-Fi library is already included, no need to add that library. Library add करने की आपको required नहीं है. So all other thing is same. That it will complete. Refresh it. Might be their server is down today, that's why we are not able to simulate it little bit faster. Okay, we have erased the code. So let me run this one if it is working. So these are the libraries. You can check it out over here. What are the libraries? ThinkSpeak, Wi-Fi, and DST Sensor library are added. Now this one is working. Let me go to the sketch. So this value we have to update it again. Wi-Fi not connected, IP is like this. So I'm going to update that value again. That API key, channel number. This information I'm updating it again. Work is okay. This one is my channel number. Then my API key. API key is this one. So see this API key, I'm going to paste it over here. All other parameters same like this. Then we have to start simulation again. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Let me refresh it. Start simulation. Sometime it is working faster and sometime it is taking a lot of time. I have to try many times, then only it will work, might be. There is some server issues coming today. So, but it will work fine over there. When we are going to run it now, it will work. So that code will work fine. Take time. We'll wait. So we have to reload this page. So it is taking time. Multiple time I'm going to refresh it to check it out. Okay, now again we are going to start simulation. Let's hope it will work. Okay, still it is not working. So that there is some server issue, no issue. So if server is right now though that is not working. All other parameter is okay. Connection and each and everything is okay. In lot of time. So right now it is not working, but that can be the same process that we have to follow it. So with the help of that, what we are going to get, we will receive the data over there on this cloud. That is the ultimate purpose. Right now it is showing 4 entry. So proper data, we are not receiving it. So as we are going to receive proper data, we will able to visualize it over here. So now in the same way, whenever we have to send data using the Python code, so what we have to do it over here, what modification we have to do in the code. So for that, I'm going to build any like Python code. So directly you can go to the workview home, and over there direct example also you can get it for the workview cloud IoT application. So you can go to MicroPython, and then you can see some example of IoT example. So MQTT weather logger MicroPython. So this one is without that cloud. So this one is a different cloud we are using it. Then later on we can use one cloud, that is ThinkSpeak, also we can use it. This one is this cloud that we can use it right now. So I'm going to open this one link. So over there we are going to send data, and we are going to create a new topic, and we will able to visualize the data. So how we are sending data? So we are importing network, time, we are importing pins from the machine, importing DST library. Library is already there in the machine, no need to call it separately, we have to just import it. JSON that is required, MQTT is required, simple MQTT client, that is the part of machine. Server address we have to give it, MicroPython broker, this one is a workview weather, that is the topic that we are going to use it. So Wi-Fi it will get connect. Wi-Fi name is walkway connect guest, and it will be get connected. Now we are going to start simulations, and we are going to check it out. Now it is working over here. This one is working. So now we are going to see the data over here in the uh, serial monitor first. It is connecting with the cloud or not. So let it get connected. Then after that we are going in this cloud, and over there now Wi-Fi is connecting, you can see it. So जैसे Wi-Fi connect होगा हमारा, we will able to see IP address of this Wi-Fi client connecting to MQTT server connected, and it is sending data, temperature and humidity over there. So as we are going to send data, it will send data to the virtual cloud. Now you can see temperature and humidity data. It gets stopped in encounter any kind of reset over there. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go to this broker, and over there we have to create a new channel, client ID, and host client ID is this one. So what is required, so all the detail is given. So we have to go to this one, WebSocket client, click connect, and you under subscription click add new. So we are going to click on the connect, and then we are going to click on subscriptions, connection timeout. So MQTT dot this one, client ID is this one, go to this connect. Okay, it should work over there. Dashboard port client ID connect. So under subscriptions, it is not connected yet. Dashboard username is not required. Publish message. It should get connected over there. Refresh me. Let me refresh it. Connect. Yes, now it is connected. Now add subscription topic. This one is the topic that we have to take it from over here, workview weather. This one is the new topic that we have to create it, and we have to subscribe this topic and subscribe it. So now you are going to receive the data over here, this one. आप टेम्परेचर का और ह्यूमिडिटी का डेटा यहाँ पे आपका विजिबल है, and every time you are going to receive it, temperature and humidity. This one is a broker cloud, we can call it simple cloud. So यहाँ से हम जैसे क्या करेंगे और डेटा को चेंज करेंगे. Just suppose we are having temperature 658 and humidity is 72. So that we can see it on this broker. Temperature is 58. Let it get updated. जैसे ही हमारा अपडेट होगा, so we are going to see the data. You can see temperature, humidity, temperature is less. So let me see updated value. Yes, this one is the temperature is humidity 47, temperature is 94. Okay, let me check. Not updated the exact value. So what we have to do, we have to start it again. Start again. because there was some encountered error. Let's see what is happening. फर्स्ट इट विल कनेक्ट विद द वाईफाई, वाईफाई से कनेक्ट होने के बाद ही हमारा डेटा क्लाउड पे जाएगा. So this tool is very good. Without hardware you can send data. Now connecting Wi-Fi. After connecting we will be able to send the data. This one 59 and 71. So it's saying that byte index out of range. Okay, some error is over there in the code. So let me change this value. Less than this. Refresh it. And meanwhile also you can see over there data. This one is the dummy data is coming. So quality of service is 0. This one, okay, 26, 49. It has not connected yet. Let it connect. So like if you want to connect multiple sensor, that data also you can send it over here. So now trying to connect with the cloud, Wi-Fi, MQTT server, Wi-Fi connected, trying to connect with the server. So now updated temperature is 40 and humidity is 40 and temperature is 7.4. So as we are going to do any change, that will be get updated over there. So it got disconnected due to there some in the code there is some issue, because when we have taken some variable, so we have to increase their value. So the latest value is 48, 27 and 32. So whatever value the latest we are updating it, that will be get updated over there. So let me refresh it again. So client, we are going to store value over here, temperature and humidity. So value is overflowing over here somehow. 7.4 and 40. Connected. 76, let it get updated. Again, some issues coming over there. So today might be the server of this software is down, but it will work in the same way. So you can use your code in the Python also, and you can use your code in a C++ also, and easily you will be able to send data to this cloud. And using this one is for testing purpose only, not for any kind of applications. अगर आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाना है, so this one is just for only testing purpose. कि आपका डेटा जा रहा है नहीं जा रहा, but you have to use that things be cloud. This one cloud you have to use it properly for sending data over there. So there is some issue that is coming occurred over there in the program line 47. It is saying, let me check 47 line. Line connect, so it is not able to connect properly. 1110 in program. Okay, there is some library issue occurring over there. So no need to worry. So we will check in tomorrow class also, and we will I will show you in the hardware also how we can send data from the hardware also directly without having any software. That also we are going to do it. So today class we are going to sum up it over here. Kindly watch all the previous video class in the YouTube channel, and that link I have already shared with you. Once more I will share in the WhatsApp group. So with the help of that all the videos you can watch it. Then you have to give the test. Test will be based on the videos that will be get shared on the YouTube channel. So thank you so much. We are going to sum up this class over here. Thank you so much.